This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chandra Holbrook. This beautiful 4-bedroom with loft, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage home is located on a cul-de-sac in the quiet and tranquil neighborhood of the Oak Trace community, where the HOA is very affordable and has no CDD. This split floor plan includes the master with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet, large family room and kitchen, indoor laundry and half bath on the first floor. There are 3 additional bedrooms and a bathroom with dual vanity sinks and a spacious loft, with large walk-in closets, upstairs. The possibilities are endless with this versatile space. This home also features a 3-car garage. The covered lanai opens to the quiet backyard and backs up to a preserve for extra privacy. An extra bonus is the new roof installed in 2021. The community is conveniently located near Anna Maria Island, 12 miles, the mall at Uck, 10 miles, and Sarasota/Bradenton International Airport, 8 miles. For more information,